Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I want to do a short little share on some things that I've been working on. I'm still playing with Scrap Diva Designs new October release. And make sure you guys snatch these. Some stuff has been restocked, okay? So if something sold out on you, go check it out to see if what you were looking for is restocked. I will sign up for notifications so you can be notified, because with the tariffs going on, it is slowing up things for being restocked like it used to, okay? You guys can use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. I will have everything listed down below, links down below that I show within this video. And if I forget anything, just leave me a comment down below. All right, let's get started. First of all, I wanted to share these bows that I've been making. I just added this bow in my stash and I love the way that it came out. So I wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. And then I just put these on 3. And then if you guys, I don't understand why the gingerbread shaker is not sold out. You guys need to buy this, okay? It is so cute. You guys already saw my little shaker, my big old Gingy. Let me move this up a little bit. It is huge. I got a bunch of projects in here. I got some projects in here. But it's on the gingerbread bag, which is so cute as well. I added some bows on the side of it, and I added that fa la la. I don't know if I showed it. Completely done. And then this is the memory decks and a card that I made on a recent video. But anyways, this Gingy comes with the most cutest bow, guys. You get 2 bow sizes. And so I'm obsessed. You guys know I love anything with bows. And I'm especially obsessed with bow dies. This is what the die looks like. You get 2 sizes, so you can do them singly or you can double layer them. And this is how they come out when you double layer them. So I'm using her new collection. I'll have it linked down below. I think a lot of it is sold out, but you can always, again, sign up for notifications. Guys, look at how pretty these came out. I added these buttons from Hobby Lobby. I am so sad because I only had 1 pack, guys. And do you know how much it hurt me to just use 1 pack? Usually if I only have like 1 of something, I want to hoard it. But I thought that this made this bow look so beautiful. So I cut these out of her new paper collection. Let me see. I thought I had... Oh yeah, this one doesn't have the bow. So this is what they look like. And I think that bow makes it look so precious, you guys. You have to snatch that gingerbread mini shaker. Is it called the mini album or the shaker? Let's see. Gingerbread shaker. Grab it because not only do you get that, but you also get these cute little additions. And then it also comes with this cute little holly that I'm obsessed with. I need to make some more things with it. But those are the bows that I created this morning with her new paper collection. And then I cut some more of the gingerbread script words. So there's 2 gingerbread word dies this month. And there's this one. And I believe they're all the same phrases, guys, but just a different lettering. But I wanted to do the script ones. And so here's Sugar and Spice, Gingy. I'm missing 2 of them. Baking Cookies, Cafe, House, Bakery. There's a total of 8, okay? And so I wanted, let me get my snowflake trim. Here it goes. So I wanted to make some cute little embellishments with it. I shared with you guys before how it came out. Oh, and then the fireplace, I still have not finished it. This is what I have so far, but I wanted to show you guys. Look at how cute. Get that little sparkle out of there. I gotta get this up. I have no nails right now. Okay, how cute is this on here? Oh my God. Was it this one or this one? Look at how adorable. It just finishes it off so nicely. And then there's all these little extras that you can put to decorate the mantle on top of the fireplace. So that would look so precious on there, guys. I want to share that with you. And then let's do Sugar and Spice. And I just want to layer this, guys, and create an embellishment. This is gonna be a really quick video. Let me see. Do I want to do 4? Let's do 4 and see how it looks. All right. So we have, trying to think if I want to pop this up on foam or not. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm going to put some foam on the back of the sentiment. Okay. So I'm just going to cut this in half. And we'll put this behind here. Sorry for the background noise, guys. We got a lot going on. It's Saturday. You guys know how it is. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. You should use hot glue, but for now, I'm just gonna stick that on there like that. Let me get it like centered. Here, let's set it down and place it. There we go. There we go. And you can go crazy with the layers. You guys know I love my little floofies. So we're gonna add this. But actually, I think I wanna do a bigger piece. So let me grab. Okay. 1 minute, Ava. All right, so here's a bigger piece. I kind of wanted to overlap. I can use that other piece on a smaller one. Just like that, yeah. So I'm just gonna glue this. Right onto here. You can do another layer of foam, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I gotta get that glue off. Cute little sentiment, and then take it to the next level by punching holes on the side and adding chain with beads, guys. This is what I want to create. I want to do a bunch of these. Let me get my little hole puncher. Probably want to punch your hole first before you do all this, guys. I'm using this 1/16 of an inch hole puncher, and I'm gonna try my best to get it right in that corner on both sides. Yeah, make sure that you punch your hole before you do all this. I gotta move this out the way. It'll be much easier if you do it that way. Right on the corners. Don't go too close to the edge right here because it could break off. I think I went a little too close. But anyways, do your holes, and then you can go ahead and dangle whatever kind of beads you want. So on this one, I use glitter cardstock in the background, solid color, and then I did like white highlights. But as you can see on this one, it's a little different. Let me glue this on here because I bent it back a little. But you can see, you know, the different colors that you use, you'll get different looks. All right, guys, so that's it for my share today. Make sure you guys check out scrapdivadesigns.com. Use code Poochie10 to save. Again, go see what was restocked so you guys can snatch what you want, because it might not be available again. I don't know how many times she's gonna be restocking. So it's very important to grab what you can while you can. All right, that's it for this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about these projects, and I will catch you in the next video.